I'm here to talk about The Flash TV series. 9 seasons long, TV 14. Can be watched on Netflix. I will see if I can find The Flash TV series on Amazon, and if I can, I'll put an associated link below to that. The pilot is waking up from a coma. Barry harnesses his newfound extraordinary speed to combat other metahuman who uses his power over the weather to loot banks. This is a superhero show. The episodes are around 40 plus minutes long. Most of the seasons have around 20 plus episodes. The last season only has 13. I watched the first, I think it was 3 or 4 seasons, and then I dipped off just because for me around season 3 or 4 it started to just feel really old. A lot of monotonous, same thing, and back and forth, and time travel, and this, and spoiler alert, by the way, and this, that, and the other, and it got to be a bit much. So at that point, I did dip out until the last season, or until season 8, I believe it was. My wife, Lisa, did stick with it throughout all of the seasons. So, Lisa, what did you think about The Flash as a series?
It's a good series. It's worth watching. They do repeat ideas, like just doing stuff that's the same thing, but in a different person or a different scenario, different save the world, save the city kind of thing. So it gets a little repetitive there, but they wrapped it up good, and it's worth at least watching. If you're already 8 seasons in, I mean, might as well watch season 9 to wrap it all up.
Yeah. I would say if you're into superheroes, The Flash might be one that you might enjoy. There's certainly tons of content, so if you're just looking to just go crazy and binge a bunch, there's plenty there for you to enjoy.
If you don't like parallel time zones and time jumps and all that, and you get confused by it, probably wouldn't be for you. But it's definitely an active show.
Yeah. Also, there is a lot of crossovers between some of the other superhero shows.
Yeah, like Superwoman or
Arrow.
All the ones that's in the DC comics.
Yeah, they do have quite a few crossover episodes.
So if you're watching, maybe both at the same time, same speed. It was really cool when it was coming out live because, oh yeah, I'm watching Arrow, and oh, okay, yeah, they're coming over and they're doing the combo, and so it's pretty cool. But now they're wrapping up all those shows. Like The Flash, I think, is the last one. The Arrow's already been wrapped up. Like, so, it's coming down the finishing of these.
I think the superhero trend, at least for the TV show aspect, is on the way out. So I'm not surprised that a lot of those are kind of wrapping things up.
Yeah, but they wrapped it up good. I mean, The Flash,
Yeah, I thought that the final episode, I thought that they did it beautifully. It made a lot of sense. Everything fell right into place of where it should go. And I was very happy with how they did the final episode, for sure. Yeah,
they wrapped it up good. So worth a watch for sure. I enjoyed it.
If you watched The Flash, let me know what you thought of it. And yeah, we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.